Hello guys, today video I'm just gonna show you how to remove these marks. If you bought a car from Salvage Auto Auction and you have these marks and try to remove them, I'll show you the easiest step just to remove them and then just restore the color or the clear coat on them using easy steps. Basically just need a varnish or a thinner you can use as well just to remove the marks, and you need a cloth, like fabric cloth. Then I got the, I'm sure if you work on detailing, cars detailing, or if you have it at home, you can get it from any local AutoZone. So I got the ultimate compound and polish, then the wax and soft pads. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. You get the fabric, paper towel, whatever you have. Just put like your finger, put it in here, and put like a thinner or varnish on it. You don't have to go all like you don't have to go all the circle. You just have to go on the line, like just the line itself. That way you don't have to damage this area basically, because the clear coat, it's also damage the clear coat, the varnish or anything, but that's the only way. Okay, as you can see, still have a little bit mark over here, but using the thinner, the varnish, it didn't damage the clear coat. This is my first time using it. Didn't damage the clear coat, it's good, but anyway, we're still gonna do the compound and the polish and the wax. So after compound, I seriously don't see it anymore. As you can see. Compared to the other one, this is the one you see. You can see the circle. Just ignore that dent right there, but the mark, you still can see it. But on this one, no, it's gone. Still gonna do the polish, then the wax. Seriously, I lost the words the mark was at. I literally lost it. I have no idea, so that's why I'm doing all this side right now. This is a clean one, not the old one. The old one that has a varnish. Wipe it. Wax on, wax off. See? It's going. And our last step is the wax. Give it a little bit. And here we go. Now I haven't done the second one, the one over here, but you see, even though I wiped it really good with the varnish, you still can see the marks, because honestly the car been sitting outside almost a year, and yeah, almost a year right now, and I think it's just marked really good. And compare it to this. Alright, well, this is the second one. As you can see, did the same steps as this one. Just compound, polish, and wax it. And it's gone. Now I'm going to show you how to remove these marks from the window, which I believe a lot of you knows how to do it. I don't need a video for it. But just if you don't know, this is how you remove them. So if the mark is on the window, it's really easier. So basically the same thing, just use a thinner, top of it, get your blade, any blade at home, anything you have that's sharp, remove it. That's it, it's done. That's all of it. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully it helps you if you don't know. If you know, just ignore this video. So don't use the blade, just this quick note, don't use the blade if it's on a fender, because you don't want to damage, scratch the paint on the body. Okay, fender, bumper, door, anything like that, just don't use the blade at all. Not a good idea.